Welcome to my sweet life. I'm Amy, and in this episode, I'm going to share with you my peanut butter marshmallow chocolate chip cookie recipe. So stay tuned. Welcome back to my sweet life. If you are brand new, welcome, and I'm really happy to have you. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get more episodes like this one. But let's get into making these cookies. Peanut butter, chocolate, super combination. Most everybody loves it, and it's like one of those really addicting flavor combos. Really popular everywhere you go. Every bakery I've ever worked in, every restaurant I've ever worked in, every hotel I've ever worked in, anything peanut butter and chocolate on the menu is going to be a top seller, no matter what. So I also added mini vegan marshmallows because why not? Let's get started on this cookie recipe. I've got all my ingredients ready to go, and into my bowl I've got regular organic cane sugar, and I've also got brown sugar. Brown sugar is so important for cookies because it's what makes them soft. Up next, I've got some baking soda and sea salt. Make sure all of that goes in there. And of course, peanut butter and some palm shortening. This is also going to make our cookies nice and soft and chewy. Applesauce as our egg replacer. I always love applesauce because it doesn't impart any flavor or different texture. You hardly even notice it's there. And last for this step is vanilla. That's going to go right in. On to medium speed, 2 minutes, creaming method. This looks great. Nice and light and peanut buttery and beautiful. Just gonna scrape a little bit with my paddle here, and we're gonna pop the flour in there, all-purpose flour. So once the flour is just mixed in and the dough starts to really come together, you can give it a nice scrape with a spatula and make sure all those ingredients are in there, and always get the bottom of the bowl really good because ingredients like to hide down there, especially if you have a stand mixer. It's kind of a weird bottom. There's like a little bump in the middle of the bowl, so you always want to get those valleys around. And it smells delightfully peanut buttery. Okay, so last step for making our cookie dough, and this is a good time to preheat your oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you haven't already at this point, you want to get a cookie sheet ready to go with parchment paper or a non-stick baking mat. So in is gonna go the mini marshmallows and mini chocolate chips. And we're just gonna mix this on low speed just to get them incorporated into the dough, but we don't wanna overmix it. Just like that, just a few seconds. And I added a lot of marshmallows and a lot of chocolate chips, so your dough should look nice and chunky. Also, because of the oil in the peanut butter, it usually makes peanut butter dough soft, but it comes off of things really easy. So it might be a little bit sticky, but not too bad. It kind of just comes right off my paddle. All right, this is ready. Taste it. Yum! Number 50 cookie scoop. I'm always talking about my number 50 cookie scoop. I know, it's annoying, but works great, multi-purpose, gives me perfect cookies that are exactly the same size every single time. I'm gonna do a double scoop. It's a little bit tricky because of the vegan marshmallows, but you know, I will do my best. So 2 scoops, give it a little roll. And then I'm kind of taking my cookies and wherever the marshmallows are showing the most, I'm putting that side upwards so that when it bakes, those marshmallows will be like puffy on the top and you'll really be able to see them, and it'll just make the cookie look overall a lot nicer. I'm gonna finish scooping all of these onto my tray, and then I'm gonna get them into the oven, and they're gonna go for about 15 minutes at 275 degrees Fahrenheit. You can always check them at 14 minutes, and if they're not done, go 15. If they're still not done, go for another minute. The cookies have come out, and they are cool, and they're crackly, and the marshmallows kind of like puffed up in the oven and cracked them and split them. They look just like so amazing. The chocolate is still melty. I can't wait to try these. Oh guys, oh my gosh, look at the marshmallow. Oh, that looks so good. If you guys try these and you do the marshmallow pull, put it on Instagram and tag me at sweetlife_Amy so I can see it, because I just love seeing those marshmallow pulls. Ridiculous. Peanut butter cookie, it's soft, it's a little bit chewy, crispy on the edges. The marshmallow that came up to the surface is chewy. The marshmallow on the inside of the cookie is soft. The chips, the chocolate chips are still soft and warm. Peanut butter, chocolate, marshmallow flavor. These are so amazing. So good. If you try these, let me know in the comments what you think. And if you liked this episode, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I come out with a new episode. Thank you so much for joining me today. And I hope you enjoyed this, because I know I did.